In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for mortgage and refinance topics fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredible tool for understanding the popularity of search terms over time, and it can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior, especially in fields like mortgages and refinancing. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Trends. Head over to your preferred search engine and type in Google Trends. You'll see it as the first option in your search results. Click on the link, and you'll be directed to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the Explore button. This will allow you to dive deeper into specific search terms and topics. You'll find the button on the main page, and once you click it, you're ready to delve into the details of your chosen topic. Now, let's set your location. You can customize this to be worldwide or focus on your target country. This step is crucial because search trends can vary significantly from one region to the next. Setting your location helps ensure that the data you're viewing is relevant to your audience. With your location set, it's time to input your keywords. Type in mortgage-related keywords such as mortgage rates, home loan, refinance mortgage, or FHA loan. These keywords will help you tap into the latest trends in the industry. After you type in your keywords, simply press Enter, and you'll be presented with a trend graph. This graph provides a visual representation of how search interest has changed over time. It's a handy way to gauge the current sentiment and interest levels in your chosen topic. To get a better understanding of the trends, consider setting a time range. Choosing the past 12 months can offer insights into the current demand, while the past 5 years can reveal long-term interest trends. This step is key for identifying whether there's a rising or declining demand for mortgage or refinance topics. Next, scroll down to see interest by region, metro, or city. This feature shows you where your mortgage-related keywords are most popular, allowing you to target those areas with local content or advertisements. This can be incredibly useful for tailoring your marketing strategies effectively. Continuing down the page, you'll find related topics and queries. Look for labels like rising or breakout, which indicate topics gaining traction. Topics like mortgage rate forecast or refinance calculator can provide opportunities for content creation or strategic planning. Lastly, try comparing multiple mortgage terms. By clicking the plus compare button, you can contrast terms such as mortgage refinance versus home equity loan. This comparison gives you a deeper understanding of which terms are currently garnering more interest, guiding you in content or product focus. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Trends to stay ahead in the mortgage and refinance fields, adapting your strategies based on the latest consumer search behaviors. Happy exploring!